What's up, YouTube and DorkiDori fans? It's London Midnight. I know it's been a while since I posted an update. Things have just been very busy since last year. Starting out, I haven't really posted new videos because since last November, I just have been absolutely slam busy. I had Black Weekend and my holiday sale, and there was a lot going on. And unfortunately, I ran into a really nasty bout of burnout, which in my case, if I don't take care of it soon enough, it turns into a nice bout of depression. So for about 3 weeks from, the last week of November up until Christmas week, life was pretty dark on my end. I got some time to myself and finally got rest and relaxation and got back to things. Normally when I'm headed toward burnout, I usually take a weekend or two off, and by that time I feel a lot better. Unfortunately, that was not the case for the Black Weekend and holiday sale. I had to keep going. So here we are, January 2021, and I'm kind of getting back into the swing of things. I'm reading my list here, hang on a second. First of all, I've had to post a new notice on my website for orders up to 75 business days before they go out. That notice has been posted since the Black Weekend sale due to the overwhelming amount of orders that came in. I've got roughly 5 to 12 orders going out a week, and the numbers are getting back down to a much reasonable amount. So when numbers get back to where I'm comfortable again, I will take down the 75 business day notice for items going out. In the meantime, yeah, everyone's orders are going out. Some of you are still waiting. Some of you have gotten your stuff, but I assure you that nothing has been missed and nothing will be missed, and your orders will go out as soon as possible. My fiberglass manufacturer and I are trying to have everything done and out by, I think, late February. So to topic number 2, what's coming up, what's new, blah, 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 blah. So I have gotten my hands on 4 new front bumpers for the S13 Coupe and the S13 hatch. Right now, I am still trying to finish up the hatchback Type X bumper. There are a few things that I need to confirm on one of the new bumpers that I purchased and double check before the Type X bumper goes off to molding. I spent yesterday disassembling the front of my car and playing around with a bunch of stuff. I needed to fix my headlights, and it's just stuff. But I tweaked a few things on my own car, and it helped the fitment of the bumper, but there's one main area I still need to check on one of the fiberglass bumpers before I send the Type X bumper off to molding. It's an ABS plastic bumper, and I hate ABS plastic with a passion. I managed to pick up an old hatchback Andretti Gracer bumper that's been long discontinued. I found these 2 amazing front bumpers for the hatch and the coupe that were matching by complete coincidence. I also found a fiberglass S13 Aero bumper, so that'll be making its debut. I have the old Vanquish S13 Aero bumper front lip that will be coming out with the Aero bumper itself. I'll also be producing fiberglass replicas of the Type X front lip. I understand why you guys are so afraid of fiberglass and fiberglass lips in general now after getting my hands on a Type X fiberglass lip. The thing is hard as a rock, and my fiberglass is nothing like that. My stuff bends like ABS plastic, so I am not getting rid of the urethane Type X lips. Those will be a permanent part of my product line forever. But because my urethane manufacturer is so unreliable at holding deadlines, I cannot offer the Type X bumper and lip as a combo when they come out, because I just simply can't. If I run out of supply of the urethane lip, I don't want to run into the situation where I owe a ton of people lips because they bought bumpers. So the fiberglass lip and the fiberglass bumper will be offered as a combination with each other, and will be offered as a full kit with the skirts and the balances. The 2 aftermarket S13 hatch and coupe bumpers that I picked up, I think they're old GP Sports Type 1 bumpers, which is really cool. You guys are really going to dig them. They will work with my version 2, version 4, version 5 skirts, as well as the Type RH and the Type RC skirts. So there's a lot of opportunities to mix and match. Actually, I'll just be opening up a lot more kits that will be available on my site once all these bumpers are molded and ready to go. I'm really excited to get these things done, and I think you guys are going to be really, really stoked to see them. Also, I have the S14 Koki lip, which I need to get into molding for urethane. I need to buy the S14 Koki front bumper just so I can test fit it. I just want to make sure that everything's right before it goes off to molding. All of this I'm trying to have wrapped up by summertime. This year, I'm spending just focused on front-end parts, especially for the S13, because they have been major things that have been missing from my product line. So I'm filling a lot of holes right now. Yeah, just lots of neat stuff coming your way. So I just wanted to touch base with everyone and let you all know what was going on. I'm still alive. I'm still doing stuff. Oh, one other major thing I forgot to mention. So for 11 years, I have wanted to release my own coilovers. Skip forward to last month, I bumped into a coilover manufacturer here in the US. No one in the S chassis scene knows who they are. They've been around for quite a while, but they don't market to the S chassis scene. They mainly focus on like Evos and WRXs and Miatas. They're trying to build their coilovers to match what KW Variant and Olin's does, which is they're both very high-end coilovers and they're both very good coilovers. But this company does have an entry-level product line. And the product meets the needs of the majority of the 240SX scene. So I've already ordered my prototype set, and I'm hoping for delivery by, I don't know, end of January or early February. I need to get them installed in my car and ride around on them, make sure that I'm happy with them and everything's good. Some of the features of these coilovers are 20-way adjustable damping settings, a 3-year warranty, fully rebuildable here in the US. All components in these coilovers come from Italy, Japan, and Texas. I'm not trying to become a major suspension manufacturer. I've just had this project in mind for a very, very long time, and I found a very, very cool manufacturer to work with. So I'm really excited to get these things out and to get them on my car and show them to you guys. They should be here very soon. Anyway, I will be getting back to work soon again on the Type X bumper and all these front bumpers they got coming in. I'm super stoked to get them out to you. There will be more videos coming up, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Take it easy, don't hit any walls, and do your thing.